R&MinteliPhy, welcome to this introduction to R&M's Intelligent Infrastructure Management System. My name is Reinhard Burkert. I am the Product Manager for Automated Infrastructure Management Systems here at R&M. Let's have a look at the different system components of InteliPhy first. InteliPhy is based on RFID technology, on radio frequency identification technology, and we use special clips to retrofit RFID tags to our patch cords. Here you see LC, duplex retrofit clips. We have clips also available for RJ45, for MPO, for SC, and for E2000. All of these clips are retrofittable to all R&M fabricated patch cords. No special patch cords are required for InteliPhy. Next component is the sensor bar, which is mounted in front of the R&M HD patch panels. The sensor bar is fully retrofittable on the patch panel, which means each and every R&M HD patch panel can be upgraded to become an intelligent patch panel. The sensor bar contains one RFID reader per port to read the information stored on the RFID tag of the patch cord. There's two different types of information we store on the RFID tag. One is a unique number which identifies the patch cord. The second information is the connector type, allowing the sensor bar to distinguish between copper ports, between fiber optic ports, and between different fiber optic connectors. This allows us to have fully modular patch panels. We can even mix copper and fiber in the same patch panel, and it's always the same unique sensor bar which we are using. The sensor bar also contains one LED per port, allowing InteliPhy to signal ports if there's any erroneous condition, or to signal ports where a patch has to be made to. Here we have the analyzer. The analyzer is connected to all sensor bars and reads the information from the tags and controls the LEDs in the sensor bars. The analyzer is available, such as we see here, in a 1U 19-inch version with a display giving guidance to the patching operator. We also have a compact 0U analyzer available, which is suitable for DIN rail mounting somewhere inside a cabinet. Both analyzers have exactly the same function, with the exception of the display, which is not available for the 0U version. The connection between the analyzer and the sensor bars is done using a small 6-wire bus cable. The bus cable runs from the analyzer along the edge of the cabinet to all sensor bars. The bus cable is fully field installable. We use connectors, and we have a simple wiring tool which allows us to terminate connectors in the field. A unique feature of this bus is that it can extend over several cabinets. A single analyzer can have up to 40 sensor bars connected to it and can extend over several meters, covering several cabinets. This is the concentrator. The concentrator has an Ethernet connection to all analyzers, aggregating the information from all analyzers and all sensor bars into a single uplink, which is then sent to the InteliPhy managed server. The server contains the central database which holds the entire network configuration. It's connected to the concentrator and gets live updates of any changes in the network. Servers can either be customer installed, such as we see here. Servers can also be set up in the public clouds, providing InteliPhy managed as a software as a service. Last system component is the client, which allows users to visualize the network infrastructure and to interact with it. R&MinteliPhy supports multiple simultaneous users, which means you can have multiple clients connected at the same time to the server, all of them sharing the same central database of the network infrastructure. The client is Java-based. It runs on Windows operating systems, on Macintosh operating systems, on Linux operating systems. There is no need to install any special software on the client machines, nor do you need any administrative rights to operate the client on a given machine. The client is available for standard PC platforms. We also have a version available for mobile platforms such as Android or iOS-based tablets or smartphones. Let us summarize the key advantages of R&MinteliPhy. R&MinteliPhy manage the software component. Very user-friendly, little training is required to work productively with the system. We have a very complete feature set on board, a complete library, all R&M components are included, so also lots of active equipment is included to allow you to easily and rapidly model networks. All configuration tools such as template editors, report generator editors, and workflow configuration tools are included in the graphical user interface. We are able to not only install R&MinteliPhy Manage on an in-house server, we can also have the option of a software as a service version where the end user does not have to worry about installing and operating his own server. We have standard interfaces for easy integration with third-party applications. The system supports multiple sites, it's a multi-user system, and we can document as well inside plant as also outside plant networks. On the hardware side, R&MinteliPhy Monitor. The system is fully retrofittable on standard R&M components, no special panels, no special patch cords. Everything can be upgraded from non-intelligent to intelligent. The standard QPP 25-year lifetime warranty on the cabling plant stays intact. Also, if R&MinteliPhy Monitor components are retrofitted on the panels, we can do, thanks to the RFID technology, we can do connector type identification, and we support modular patch panels, mixing different technologies and different connector types in the same unit height. We can add further information on the RFID tags, such as serial numbers or attenuation values. The system is fully galvanically insulated from the normal cabling plant, so there is no interference between the InteliPhy Monitor part and the user data. We have a single-tiered, very powerful analyzer system, which is very simple to plan and to install. A simple field installable bus cabling system, and one analyzer can reach out to cover several cabinets.